Right now, Akali Dal's Bikram Singh Majithia has been arrested by Punjab Vigilance Department from Amritsar, and this comes after they launched their joint operation against drugs, conducting raids at 25 locations across the state. Among the sites searched were 9 places in Amritsar, including the house of Shiromani Akali Dal leader Bikram Singh Majithia in Amritsar and Chandigarh. Breaking news coming in, that is a big blow, in fact, coming in for Bikram Majithia. He's been arrested by the Vigilance Department in Amritsar. Those are the visuals when he was being taken away by the police. And he's been former cabinet minister in Punjab. And there were raids that were conducted on his properties across Punjab in this fresh disproportionate assets case. Take a listen into what Majithia had to say ahead of his arrest.
अब अफसर वेखो किन्ने आए आ मेरे कोई ले मैनू पता नहीं मेरे घर च कुछ प्लांट कीता की कीता ये तो समा दसूगा मगर बकलाहट वेखो और मैं चलिया मैं थोनू पहला कहा भगवंत मान से आ खलोता ही ते चीका तेरियां भी कढाऊं आ इधर भी आ दिखा इधर आ इधर 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 मैं नहीं आ तक नहीं कम चलना इधर इधर आ जा आ इधर आ वे आ लोग मैनू मिलन आए सी इन्हों भी कमरे च बंद किया फिर पुलिस आके लाई इत्थे सानू पेशाब करन तक नहीं जाना रिकॉर्डिंग करी महाराज सानू पानी पीण तक नहीं जाना हां जी कह बंदा जी इनू पेशाब करन तक नहीं जाना.
And my colleague Lalit is joining us live on the broadcast from Chandigarh. Now, Lalit, well, this is, of course, a big setback, and it's a fresh disproportionate case. Vigilance Department had raided several of the properties of Bikram Singh Majithia. Tell us more details about this case.
If you talk about today in a joint operation by the Punjab Vigilance and the Punjab Police, senior Akali Dal leader Bikram Singh Majithia was arrested by the Vigilance today in the afternoon around 12:30 p.m. After that, now he is going to produced in the Mohali Vigilance Court in Mohali. Apart from that, if you talk about this case pertains to long back, but this is a fresh case. In 2018, a case was being registered by the STF, and after that, in 2021, the NDPS case was being filed against Bikram Singh Majithia. The investigation was on, and he was in bail. After that, in March 2025, he was asked to appear before the SIT as the Maan government that time have said that he is not cooperating, and after the Supreme Court direction he was asked to go in front of the SIT which was being formed by the Maan government. But if we talk about this present case, this case pertains to the disproportionate asset case as from 2004 to 2014 in the drug trailing, how that money was being collected. So this raid is being done apart from that, if you talk about Maan government have put a big action on the drug abuse all across the state, and today in that operation in about 25 locations this raid was being conducted. So it's a big setback for the Bikram Singh Majithia, but there are allegations that this whole raid has been done on the part of a political vendetta by the Aam Aadmi Party, and in support of Bikram Singh Majithia, some Congress leaders and the Akali leaders have come in front of Bikram Singh Majithia. But if you talk about Arvind Kejriwal, he has very clearly today in a statement have said that no one would be spared in the drug trailing, as Punjab has to be made a drug-free state, and this whole things has been done to make Punjab drug free. So it's a big update in that case, as in 25 locations all across Punjab a vigilance raid was being done. But the major setback come for the senior Akali leader Bikram Singh Majithia, in which his Amritsar house in Green Avenue and in the Chandigarh government house, he was being raided, and finally he was being arrested. Now he would be produced in front of the Mohali Vigilance Court. Back to the
Lalit, thanks so much for joining us with those details coming in. on that story. Viewers, we keep a close eye. But meanwhile, we are interrupted by